Star. Put it in. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Bakit? I will put your crown. Back. Put it in, come on. Put it in, put it in, put it. Yes. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Put the square on the boat. Come on. Put it in, come on. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Put it in. Put it here. Come on, Kaylee. I will put the circle on the boat. Great job! One by one. Hooray! Hooray! Come on, put the other shapes in the boat. I will put the oval in the boat. Yay! Great job! It's your turn. Put the heart in the boat. Come on. Put it inside the boat. Put it inside the boat. Come on. Oh, you don't like it? Put it in, put it in, put it in. Come on, Kaylee, put it in. It's a heart shape. Heart, very good. Yes, it is. Oh, no, don't eat, it's dirty. Put it in the boat. It's a heart. Heart. Put it in the boat. Heart. This is a triangle. Do you want to put the triangle in the boat? Put it in, put it in, put it in. Hooray! Uh-oh. Try again. Put the square in the boat. No, just put it in. Hooray! Great job! Put the star on the boat. Just press it down. Yay! Put the heptagon inside the boat. Yay! Oh, I'm the one who put it in the boat. Yay! Put it in. The blue color. Come on. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Up. Press it down. Yay! No. Put them in. Put them in, put them in, put them in. The heart shape. Press it down. Yay! Great job. Yay! Wow. Put it here. Power up. Power up. Yay! And the plus sign here. Uh-oh. Here.